This is Henry. Henry is a sweets manufacturer. And this is his company. He and his employees produce hundreds of tons of sweets a day. Production is going great. All the employees do their very best to keep things running smoothly. Yet one of the Buhler machines is getting old. Now and then, some sweets are damaged. And on top of that, Henry suddenly had to shut down one of his machines last week. The time has come. He wants to do something. Henry knows that his manufacturing company has a lot of potential, but he needs proper specialists to find the weak spots. So he asks Buhler's experts to have a look. The performance assessment workshop that Buhler offers is just the answer. At first, they define the workshop's goal. Henry wants to increase productivity, yield, and availability. The experts assess Henry's machines on location. They examine the material, Henry's methods, and the products. Buhler's team also talks to the employees, taking lots of different factors into consideration in order to get a complete picture of the manufacturing process. Finally, Buhler's experts present the report, which provides every manager with the perfect basis for making decisions. Their analysis clearly points out current problems and demonstrates where there is potential for improvement. And of course, Buhler's experts propose concrete solutions to sustainably boost productivity, availability, and safety. Buhler replaces the defective parts to secure machine productivity and availability and to prolong the lifespan of the machine. Henry's old machines are given an upgrade and update, which makes them more efficient for the future. The manufacturing process is now more reliable, and sudden downtimes are avoided. And in addition, Henry's employees are given systematic training. Now they are all set to get the best out of those machines. Thanks to the performance assessment workshop, Henry's factory is now running at full capacity. Productivity has been noticeably increased, and he works according to international safety standards. Henry is thrilled, and his employees are too.